Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review my introduction. My name is Ausan Habib. I am a senior software engineer and enterprise solution architect with more than 16 years of professional experience in software development, ERP implementation, system integration, and technical leadership. My primary specialization is designing and delivering enterprise grade software solutions using the Microsoft technology ecosystem. My strongest technologies include C Sharp, .NET, ASP.NET Core, SQL Server, REST APIs, Microsoft Azure, Azure DevOps, and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and NAV. Throughout my career, I have worked on complex business applications, ERP platforms, multi-tenant SaaS products, workflow systems, integration service, reporting solutions, employee self-service portals, and real-time analytical dashboards. My responsibilities have covered the complete software development lifecycle, including requirement analysis, solution architecture, database design, backend development, integration testing, deployment, performance optimization, and ongoing support. I also have strong experience with Microsoft Dynamics NAV and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. I have worked on ERP implementation, customization, AL and CAL development, business process automation, data migration, reporting, performance, troubleshooting, and integration using REST APIs and OData services. This combination of ERP knowledge and software engineering allow me to understand both the business and technical aspect of a project. In addition to Microsoft Stack, I have worked with Node.js, Vue.js, React, Next.js, JavaScript, TypeScript, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, Redis, Power BI, Docker, Git, GitHub Actions, and CI/CD pipelines. Although I am comfortable across full technology stack, my strongest focus is backend engineering, enterprise integration, ERP architecture, and scalable application design. Thank you again for reviewing my introduction.